car. Then, see? You press first the numbers before closing it. Unlike some... It's an escalator. No, it's going down. So we're going up. So from our hotel, from our hotel, so there's a way going directly to... Ano sabi? So this is the mall looks like here. So there's a Pandora, Hana. Ha? Ah, sakto. Pandora here. Asus video? Ah, A6 eh. Asus, hindi nang gipang ito. Hala, ano? Dadi palit taon niya, dadi. Silaw lang taba. The big house. Tungsong station. Dadi, Tungsong station. Pero, na? Ay, grabe kaya kung anak ko eh. Oh, you wait lang. So high. Hi, Mari. Mari. Ha? Oh, turo oh. Ano ito siya? So, just a few minutes or few steps. There's the cable car. So from Novotel, the City Gate outlet, and then here, the cable car. Oh, diba? So easy. Pharmacy, Mannings ang ilang pharmacy. Oh, there's the ticketing office and cable car platform entry. Actually, we're done with booking is on Klook, and you better book it on Klook because they have a lot of discounts there. And I'll just put here my discount coupon so that when you book it on Klook, have a big discount. Yeah, we're here. Hey, pretty kaya kung bibili. One. Ah, that's too high.
You will ride the Disney ride.
Is that 3 person?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two adults and one child.
This one you have to wear on your wrist first.
Picture ready ko, Daddy. Mickey Mouse. Dali siya, Daddy, dito. Mickey Mouse.
Eh, matulog ko karon. Dili ta akong picturean niyo. Dili ta.
Suay! Uy, ginoo ko, Daddy. Uy, ginoo ko. Ay! Mickey Mouse! Uy, ginoo ko. Uy, it's Suay! Mari! Oh, you see?
I want to see Ellie. I want to see it.
Oh my goodness, my goodness. Ay, Lord God.
Where's my stuffed baby side?
Ha?
Where's my stuffed baby side?
Oh my goodness.
Tabo ni sa dili. Yo. Tangga. Kay matulog ko dili. Dili ang dagat. Oh, mahapog ba oh? Ibaylo ta, baylo ta.
Bailon ta karon?
Oh, dapat matulog na ko. Sige, ikaw.
My goodness.
Dili ka tumayo.
Hirap
Oh, dia. Sige.
Hirap po dito sa itong gibati. Uy, ginoo ko, Lord. This is too high. Mana? Waka.
Not yet.
Not yet oh, Mari na. Yet.
No, uy. Grabe nga fighting spirit na. Mari, are you not afraid?
I'm not afraid. I'm happy.
Wala, uy. Tinang-inan. No! This is too high. Can't you see? It's too
What's
high.
water in the
Mura na
mountain?
kugma.
What is in the mountain?
Ang airport.
Ay, ginoo ko, Lord. Lord, help me. So, help me, God.
Says, look at me.
Airport.
Where's the airplane, Mom?
There.
Where?
Standby ang airplane.
Where?
There, the airport.
Now we're done. We're going back later. Oh, Daddy.
Oh. Wait lang, wait lang. Uy, later na. Mm. Sa mga mamshies dyan na magtatanong kung pwede ba yung stroller sa cable car, yes po, pwede. Kaso, talagang bilhin nyo yung lightweight na stroller at madaling ma-fold para hindi kayo mahirapan. Tapos dito sa Muping Village, hindi namin in-expect na malayo pala yung or mataas yung kailangan yung nalalakarin. So, buti na naka-power nap yung toddler namin. So, may gana siyang maglakad.
On Panatanak Wednesday. We'll go
At
there
hindi din
on
kami
Wednesday.
nag-worry kasi round trip naman yung binook namin sa Crystal Cabin at malapit lang dun yung hotel namin.
Wednesday. Magbayad ka na.
Sa Muping Village, maraming ding mga restaurants kung nagugutom kayo at meron ding souvenir shop.
एबेनेजर पे
Bora.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल है डोसा वोसा खा लो
Daddy, sabuy. $400.
Pero pagdating doon sa may
2-4-1?
Tiantan Buddha nila na may 268 steps, di na talaga kami nag-climb kasi
Ito na si Charlie na.
may
Buto na
toddler
to.
din
Grabe
kami.
kalayo.
So, nagpa-picture lang kami sa baba.